Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here to show you a soccer game called Soccer Kick, K-I-C-K, okay? Now the reason this is called Soccer Kick is because it's very similar to the game Pig that you might play in basketball, but I wanted to spell a word that goes along with soccer, so we're going to spell kick instead of pig. Now for this game you are going to need 2 people or more. It's okay if you have 3 or 4, but you are going to need at least 2 people. The only equipment you need for this game is 1 ball. I'm using an indoor soccer ball right now. If you're playing outside and you want to use a real soccer ball, that's great. If you're playing this game inside and you want to use a sock ball or another really soft ball, that would probably work best for inside. And then the only other piece of equipment that you're going to need is some kind of target. I'm just going to use a blue cone for this demonstration right now, but you can use any target you want to. You can use another ball. You can use a laundry basket if you're inside. Any other target will do. Okay? So how this game works is, let's just say we're playing with 2 people, me against somebody else. So if you go first and it's your turn, you can decide where you want to kick from anywhere you want to. All right? You can go close to the target. You can go far away from the target. You can go anywhere you want to, but what you are trying to do is you are trying to make a soccer pass that makes your ball touch that target. Okay? If you do that, now you have put the pressure on the other person you're playing against. Okay, so let's just say I'm up first. I go right here. I want to go nice and close. Okay? I'm going to make a soccer kick, and I hit the target. So, no one has gotten a point yet, but what that means is because I successfully made my kick, whoever I'm playing against has to go to that exact spot and take the same kick as me. If they hit the cone and they are successful, they do not get a point or a letter in this game. But if they take the same kick as me and they miss, they get a point against them, or in this game, you get a letter. All right, and we are playing kick, K-I-C-K, so that person, if they missed, would get the first letter, which is a K. All right, and in this game, you do not want letters. You do not want to spell the word kick, because that means the game is over and the other person has won. All right, so I just successfully hit the target with the soccer ball, so now the next person would take that same shot. So let's see what happens. I made my kick from right about here. Now the next person would be up. Let's say that this person misses. They missed the cone. So that second person has just earned 1 point against them, which is the letter K. So I went first. I don't have any letters. My score is still 0. The person who went second, they missed the kick, so they have earned the letter K. All right? So after that happens, it goes back to my turn. Let's say that on my second turn, I get to decide wherever I want to kick from. I kick and miss. So let's watch that. So I have my ball. Let's say that this time I miss my cone. All right? I did not hit it. So what that means is I did not get a letter because there was no pressure on me yet. But that means I lost my turn, and now it's the other person's turn, and they can kick from wherever they want to. So the only time you have to kick from the same spot as the other person is if they make their kick first. Then you have to go to that spot. But if the person misses, you can go wherever you want to. All right? So, big things in this game. When it's your turn, you can go wherever you want to kick. If you make it, now the pressure's on the other person. They have to make that same kick. If they miss, they get a letter. If they make it, no points, restart the round. And that first person can go wherever they want to again. All right? Remember, you can play with 2, 3, 4 people. Have a great time. playing soccer kick. K-I-C-K. See you soon.